Welcome back to Vibe with Archie. In this video, we're delving into the world of steel frame construction, a powerhouse method for building structures. In just 4 minutes, we'll cover the essentials. Let's dive in. What is steel frame construction? Steel frame construction uses steel components like columns, beams, and trusses to create a building's structural framework. It's renowned for its strength, durability, and versatility, making it ideal for various building types. Types of steel frame construction. Conventional steel frame, it's the traditional method, where steel components are fabricated and assembled on site. It's versatile and suits both small and large buildings. Skeleton steel frame, ideal for high-rises, it supports vertical and horizontal loads with added bracing for stability. Steel joist construction, common in commercial and industrial buildings, it employs steel trusses for floors and roofs. Modular steel frame, components are prefabricated off-site and assembled on-site, saving time and costs. Light gauge steel frame, thin, cold-formed steel sections create the frame, often used in residential and light commercial buildings. Hybrid steel frame, combines various methods for optimization, like using conventional steel for the core and light gauge steel for interior partitions. Pre-engineered steel buildings, complete structures designed and supplied by manufacturers, popular for warehouses and factories. Composite steel frame, steel beams combined with concrete for strength, stiffness, and fire resistance, often in multi-story buildings. Benefits of steel frame construction. Strength and durability, steel's toughness withstands heavy loads and harsh conditions. Versatility, adaptable to various designs and building types. Speed of construction, prefabrication reduces construction time and costs. Cost-effective, long-term savings through durability. Fire resistance, inherently fire-resistant, enhancing safety. Design flexibility, supports innovative designs and open floor plans. Sustainability, highly recyclable, reducing environmental impact. Precision and quality, fabricated with precision for safer construction. Resistance to pests and rot, no susceptibility to termites or rot. Less material waste, generates less construction waste. Strength-to-weight ratio, allows for lighter structures with required strength. Seismic resistance, can be designed to resist earthquakes. Reduced foundation costs, lighter weight can reduce foundation expenses. The construction process. Fabrication, skilled workers cut, shape, and weld steel components based on architectural plans. Assembly, using cranes, workers lift and connect the steel beams and columns to create the building's skeleton. Bolting and welding, beams and columns are secured with bolts, ensuring stability and load-bearing capacity. Inspection, thorough quality and safety inspections, including alignment and welding checks. In just 4 minutes, we've covered the essentials of steel frame construction. It's a resilient, versatile, and sustainable method shaping our built environment. Thank you for joining Vibe with Archie. Subscribe for more insights into the construction industry. See you in the next video.